Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say it with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making fried cabbage. The ingredients that we're going to need today are apple cider vinegar, crushed red pepper flakes, that's optional, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, ground black pepper, olive oil, beef kielbasa, butter, cabbage, green bell pepper, garlic cloves, and onion. I have all of my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need one medium head of cabbage. You want to go ahead and cut that. 10 ounces of beef kielbasa. You go ahead and chop that up. Also 1 green bell pepper chopped. 1 medium onion diced. 3 tablespoons of butter. 3 large garlic cloves minced. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay guys, as you know, I did a previous video about the jumbo cooker, the Tefal one, so I am cooking in that so I can give you guys a good review at the end of the video also. So what you want to do is heat your pan up, and we're going to add in our olive oil. Let that come to temperature. To the olive oil, we're also going to add in our 3 tablespoons of butter. And you want to let that melt. You want your heat to be on medium. Next, we're going to add in our green bell pepper and also our onion. And we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your beef kielbasa. We're going to mix that so it's well combined. You're going to go ahead and let that cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. To a small bowl, we're going to add in our onion powder, our garlic powder, our smoked paprika, ground black pepper, and also our red pepper flakes. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. After 5 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And you're going to let that cook for 1 minute. I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now we're going to begin to add in our cabbage. Now all you want to do is give the cabbage a good mix. Now we're going to add in our seasoning and also apple cider vinegar. You can go ahead and mix it all together. Make sure it's nicely combined. Okay guys, once you have everything mixed, you can go ahead and put your lid over top. You want to lower your heat to medium low, and we're just going to let that cook down for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes is now done. It tastes delicious. If you guys wanted to add salt, you can do that at your own discretion. Okay guys, I just want to say that the Tefal 5-quart jumbo cooker, it cooks very well, and I'm satisfied with it. So guys, you can make this as a side dish for Christmas. It's very flavorful, and I'm pretty sure everyone will enjoy it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?